Shut up and sit down.
Yo people, and welcome back to another juice review, and this time we are looking at 3 flavours from a company called Vape and Brew. There we go. Now this is from 2 people. They're from Ireland. They've just opened up a vape shop roughly around about 2 or 3 months ago. You probably know them. They're both off of vape shows, and they are also in the chat. If you watch vape shows, they're always in the chat. Darren was on Islands in the Clouds, if you ever watched that, back in the VUNK days. And you will definitely know if you watch the Bitches Vaping Bunny, or if you're around the chat, you will definitely have seen Vaping Bunny around. Now, they are friends of mine, and I'm going to tell you now, it's not going to change anything that I do say about these juices. They wouldn't like it like that, and I am a reviewer. So it's going to be totally and utterly honest. And I mean that, because they would probably shout at me as well for not being honest about them. Right, let's get this review on the road. Now, the first flavour we're going to be looking at is called On The Beach. And this is a blend of coconut and pineapple. Now, I'm going to tell you from the beginning, I don't like pineapple, and I'm not that keen on coconut either. I'm going to show you the bottle. There we go. On The Beach, Vape and Brew, 50ml short fill. Now, if you haven't done 50ml short fills before, and you do take nicotine, you get your nic shot, open it up, stick your nic shot in, give it a good old shake, leave it for 24 to 48 hours, and you're ready to go. Some people say you can do it after 30 minutes, but I do recommend that you leave it for 24 hours. Yay. You've got your childproof cap, you've got all your warnings, everything that should be there is there. Now, what have we got this on? We have got it on the Aladdin RDA from Keys, on the Aegis Solo, coming out at 70 watts at 0.27 ohms. Let's give it a vape and see what we think. You're getting that pineapple. You're getting that pineapple at the beginning, but you're not getting that much coconut. You're getting the creaminess of the coconut. I'm going to turn that down a little. You're getting that tang of that pineapple. Like I said, I'm not overly keen on pineapple, but you're getting that tang of pineapple. 65, I think we're better at. You're getting the tang of the pineapple. Like I said, underneath it, you're getting the coconut. It's not an overly powerful coconut, which is really good for me. You've got the creaminess of it. These are 80-20, plenty of vapor production. If you're into your pineapples and you like your coconut, this is one for you. Now, it is smooth. It's not chemically, you know, I bang on about chemically vapes. It's not that. It's not chemically at all. It's nice and smooth. Nice flavour from the pineapple, and you've got the coconut underneath it. Again, remember, taste is subjective. A lot of people do like pineapple and coconut. So that was On The Beach. There we go. Right, on to the next one. We have got Early Mint, and this is a blend of white chocolate and peppermint. There we go. That is the bottle. And again, you've got all your childproof caps, you've got all your warnings, everything that should be there is there. What we got it on? We've got it on the Wasp Nano, on the Cold Steel 100, coming out at 70 watts at 0.2 ohms. Let's give it a vape and see what we think. Ooh, I like that. Now, you all know that I'd search for the perfect spearmint. Well, this I quite like as well, because it's a peppermint. And what you've got underneath it is you've got like the white chocolate, but it doesn't really taste over chocolatey. It just gives you like a creamy taste to it. And it reminds me of a Murray mint. You know them Murray mints you open up? It tastes exactly like a Murray mint. It does. It's just like me, when we used to go in the car, we used to have loads of Murray mints inside. It's like my mum's just giving me one of them to have. Plenty of vapor production. Like I said, it is nice and smooth. It's not chemically. And like I said, you're getting that white chocolate underneath it, but it isn't like over chocolatey. So you're getting that peppermint, and then underneath it, you're getting that chocolate, which, like I just said, it just tastes like a Murray mint. Yeah, bang on. Will not be very much of this left, I'm telling you. Not very much of this left at all. Right, on to the next one. So we've had the early mint. We have now got the late mint. And this one is a blend of chocolate and peppermint. There we go, that's the bottle. It's getting a bit vapey in here. Again, childproof cap. All the warnings, everything that should be there is there. That definitely tastes like a Murray mint. Right, what we got this on? We've got it on the Wasp Nano again on the Chroma R. I really do like this mod. 70 watts coming out at 0.27 ohms. Let's give it a vape and see what we think. Lovely, that's really nice as well. Again, I'm not an overly... I'm more of a fruit and a mentally person, but that is really nice. This is something you'd have after dinner. An after dinner mint. That's exactly what it tastes like. It tastes like an after 8 mint. It's very hard to nail. It's very vapey, sorry. It's very hard to nail chocolate, and they've nailed it on the nose with it. You're getting the chocolate, and then underneath it, you're getting that peppermint. It's like you've just slid it out of one of them little sleeves that they come in and took a bite out of it. Yeah, I really do like that. That'd be something that after I'd had a meal, it's something that I'd have for a couple of hours. Again, I'm not really into my desserty sort of flavours, but yeah, bang on. If I'm totally honest with you, the first one that I tried, it's not up my street, but you might like it if you're into your pineapple and your coconut. The white mint, that is absolutely, the early mint, sorry, really, really nice. That just tastes like a Murray mint. There won't be much of that left. And the late mint tastes exactly like an after 8 mint. That is really nice. Like I said, none of them are chemically. They're nice, all nice and smooth. So yeah, big thumbs up for the range. And a big shout out to them as well for sending them out for review. I also got sent, which I've been using, as you can see, the hand sterilizer. You can also get that from Vape and Brew, so go and check them out. I can't leave anything in the descriptions, obviously, but I'm sure if you do a Google foo, you will be able to find them. One last thing to say, people, if you like the video, make sure you like, subscribe, and share. The subscribe button's in the corner. Give it a little press to get me to that new magic number on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Go and hit me up, people. And a big love to everybody who is in the members, the Beer Fund members. Big love to you lot. And one last thing to say, people, keep them juices flowing. Don't forget to check out my latest video. Also, don't forget to check out 3 Men and a Vape Show live at 8 PM every Wednesday. And also, if you've enjoyed the video, make sure you subscribe, ring that notification bell, and we'll catch you later.